Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Kool Kombi, and this is by Hotwheels from the silver series, and the MRP is 299. For that, for I bought it only for MRP, not more than that. So one thing I really want to say, guys, I'm guessing that you are hearing this background noise, like like this. See, so so the thing is, as you guys know, I recently switched to my home, and this place where I'm living now, it is closer to a road. So, and it's a Saturday night, and people are going non-stop till like 2 a.m. It is not 2 a.m. right now, but I mostly record my videos around that time so that it will be of total silence. But after I came to this place, it's Saturday nights are like that, like this only, even till like 2 a.m. Sometimes even like till 3 a.m. So I'm really sorry. I'm hoping that you will forgive me for that. Okay, so here is the card art. This one looks really beautiful and cute. Okay, let's talk about the casting now. So we did unbox Kool Kombi before, I think twice if I'm not wrong. So this one, okay, there's a paint misalignment here. So they have only one job and they are not doing it right for most of the things. Okay, so detailing wise, it looks really good. So it has taillight detailing also here. Again, headlight, the right side is misaligned. So it has the Volkswagen logo here, and it does have some interior detailing to it. Honestly, it is not great. The steering wheel looks like a block. That's it. So I don't remember how the other Kool Kombis looked, but that's how this one looks. So I really wish they could have done a different casting instead of Kool Kombi. I mean, there are literally a lot of cars. Even they could have went with the proper Beetle or something like that. That would have looked really nice. Or even the proper, panel van. So okay. So with that said, the body is fully metal, and the chassis is fully plastic. So the wheels are plastic. It does match this particular casting really well. So painting wise, they really did a nice job in this entire series so far. So I personally love this one. Instead of giving a stupid painting that doesn't, you know, even have a good livery or something like that, or like a misaligned livery or missed out pixel, something like that. At least this one they did it really well so far. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 40 grams. I was not expecting that. The size actually, makes you think it weighs really less. Okay, that does roll really well. The weight actually does its job really well as well. Okay, the casting looks really solid. It rolls really well as well. As far as my eye can see, I am not seeing any paint bubble or anything like that, except there is some issue here. I don't know what is this. Something there. The only issue which I am having is this. So yeah. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So again, so this misalignment issue is something specific to mine. Yours might not have that. So let's leave that part out for now. So apart from that, it has all side detailing. I mean, headlight and taillight detailing, and the casting also looks really good. So I would give a 10 out of 10. I don't have any issue with it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.